What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carvin's for Reg, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, man, I'm finally finna get slap in my car. If you guys don't know what that means, I'm getting subwoofers in the car. We're upgrading the music. Finally, man, I'm back at the GM Electronics. We finna get this thing slapping. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm really excited about this, man, because I've been riding around with a stock setup for, a little bit over a year, and all of my cars that I ever had slap besides the Legend right now, but it was on its way to get slapped, but we all know what happened with the Legend. All right, y'all, we're in the radio shop right now, just waiting for the car to go in. But I'm gonna show you what subs I got right now. So I got these, the L710s right here. I got two of them. I believe this box right here is gonna be going in the car, a little small box for the G. Then the amp that I got is right over here. We got a 1700 watt Hifonics. Oh, actually I got the last one. Oh nope, right here. Nope. Yeah, I got the last one. But I got a 1700 watt Hifonics amp. It's actually over there, so I'll show y'all in a minute. I'm excited though, really excited. Have you ever heard about Memphis? I never heard too much about Memphis, but let me know if you heard anything about Memphis. But man, I'm excited, man. I can't wait. I wish I could put some 12s in my car. I ain't gonna lie, I love 12, so I wish I could put these bad boys in right here. Man, these bad boys gonna kick. I think these have 900 watt RMS, and the 10s have 850. No, the 10s have 750. So 750 for the 10s and 900 for the 12s. And a little fun fact, I actually started off with these speakers right here, the CVRs. So I have 4 of these in an Acura at once. And what are these RMS right here? 400 watt RMS. And these sound a heck of good. So we'll see how these 10s sound, man. I believe it's gonna sound crazy. It's gonna sound good. I really can't wait. But overall, I'm happy, man. It's really about time. Like I said, I've been riding around stock for like a whole year. So this is the official setup right here. These are mine. Just getting ready to put on the car. Yeah, man, I can't wait. So yeah, man, that's, like I said, 750 RMS. And man, these are the truth, man. If you know about subs, these are the truth, the comp Qs, man. And I don't put none of that basic stuff in my car. I always try to get top of the line. But then there you go, the 1700 watt Hifonics Elite amp Brutus. So the Hifonics light is gonna light up and stuff, so which is gonna be cool. I don't know for sure yet if I'm going with 4 or I'm going with 0 gauge. He said it's whatever the amp requires when they hooking up, so I'm not too sure. I will find out when I get back. And as y'all can see, man, the speakers is $329. So y'all know that this is gonna be some work. So y'all stay tuned onto this video so y'all can see the outcome and how good it's gonna sound. Actually, I should have played y'all a little before. Nah, that's all right. It is what it is. I want to hear the after. Let's go take a last look at the G. I actually cleared the trunk and all that. So my car had a little bit of company on it last night. Some cats in the neighborhood, man, with their dirty old little paws, man. They had got me once again. They always get me. Whew. I ain't seen this thing like this cleared out since I had bought the car, man. I had a whole bunch of boxes and all different type of stuff in this trunk. But yeah, man, it's all cleared, ready for that sub, ready for those 2 10s to come in. But yeah, y'all see how small this trunk is? So that's the reason why we probably have to go with the smallest one. I wanted like a ported box, but I don't know if that's gonna fit. He said that, they'll try, but I ain't gonna get my hopes up. So we might have to go with sealed. Maybe down the line, I'll probably do custom. Give me a custom box or whatever, but as far as right now, we'll just go with the little one or whatever. But yeah, man. And what I'm really happy about with this car is that the seats actually go down. So I'm really finna be hearing that bass. I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait. It's gonna sound so good, y'all. I really can't wait. All right, y'all. A couple hours has passed. Actually, we finna get up out of here. Copyright. The car is done. Now we just gotta see how the way it sounds, man. See what it look like. I'm excited. I know y'all excited to see what it look like. Yeah, man. Can't wait. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I was kind of juiced, so I was just taking a little joyride and stuff around town and stuff, just listening to some regular music. I know on here I'm gonna have to play some copyright music for the video, so I had to listen to my music first just to get it out my system. But man, it sounds so good, and the speaker's not even broke in yet. This speaker got so much potential, man. I was just playing with a couple of EQ stuff, man, because I'm gonna do my own little EQ. Let me show y'all the setup, man. It's actually the first time that I'm gonna see it too. I didn't look at it at the shop to see how the way they did, man. Let's see if it's all neat. Is it clean? Is it a clean setup? Is it a bad setup? We gonna find out right now. It looks very clean back here, to be honest. Looks real clean. Don't see no wires, which is a good thing. Yeah, it looks very clean back here. I'm not even gonna lie. They did a good job. As y'all can see, man, the little tins, the baby speakers. But hey, don't let it fool you. These things clap, man. I ain't gonna lie. Look at the little tins though, in a G35, man. Don't worry, I'm gonna play some music so y'all can hear the outside, also the inside, so y'all can hear that. But man, it looks really good and it sounds good too. Not even gonna lie. I'm gonna do a review on these speakers. I'm gonna also expose how much I paid for these speakers too. Let's do a sound test real quick. Let's do a sound test. All that talking and stuff, leave all that talking for later. We trying to hear the music, man. Where my key at? I'm getting too excited. Oh, there go that door. This is it's inside the car. Trunk flex. A little something. Let's play this one.
She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' top, it's no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow.
So I'm about to show you guys why I like this deck so much. Watch this. So y'all hear it like this, right? Watch how I play with it. Watch this.
She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' top, it's no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. Test me, why you wanna test me? You so sexy, come on in.
You see how I play with the sub so I could turn it up and turn it down? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more. Probably do it off camera because I ain't gonna lie, it's a lot of stuff that you gotta do. I still gotta set the EQ up how the way I'ma like it. So I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to take out the bass within the back speakers and just have the bass with the sub, so it sound a lot better and cleaner up in here. I think they did like EQ it a little bit, but I feel like I could do it just a little bit better. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. I'm really not trying to touch it right now while the speaker is still breaking in, you know what I'm saying? I want the speaker to be, you know, broken. That's how I know they didn't do nothing, because I still had it on here, loudness on high. Yeah, I don't think they really touched the EQ. I ain't gonna lie. I think they just hooked it up, which is fine, because I like to EQ my stuff myself anyway. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, all that stuff, man. And I'm gonna bring you some more subwoofer videos. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'm out. Peace.